friends, welcome to Junior Coding. So in this channel you will be seeing coding projects and coding videos only. So make sure to subscribe, like and share. So yeah, this is class 4th project, bouncy ball game. Okay, so in this what we are going to say means this is the output of the game. So move the ball to reach the target to win. Actually this game is like a maze, little bit like a maze. Okay, so now you can see, now this is the box which now I have been moved it like this only. Okay, so now we have to go to the target. You can see a target, right? So we have to go to here. Okay, so now let's go. Okay, so I'm going only. Yeah, now you can see here, right? So you want, so it will be coming like this only. So for coding this we have to see how to code. Okay, so I'm going to click on view code to make like how to code like this. But this, this is just an easy method. We can just code in just 10 minutes, that's it. Okay, so I'll just make the screen big. Okay, so you can see here so many rectangles, right? So that rectangles are this one only in. Okay, so in the function draw you can see background color pink. You know what is background color, right? Then what is stroke? Stroke is nothing but these colors. You can see now here, right? This color, this color. So you can just give wherever color, but make sure that you have to give in up or in that area, like in where you are giving. So now I have been gave here, then I just gave here stroke color, or you can even write as fill also. Okay, so ball dot collide rectangle 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 till 23. So I'm making this ball to collide for all the rectangles, so it's colliding. So what is collide? Collide means, now I'll show you this game. Wait, so now you can see, right, when I'm just clicking on, wait, so now you can see, but the ball is not moving, right? So whenever the rectangle, the ball is touching the rectangle, it will be stopping there only. Now I'm just moving and again clicking down, so again it will be doing like this only. So like, see, so like this only, like this only. Okay, so like this only. So that is called collide. Now so next one is key down, up arrow, down arrow, right arrow and left arrow. So okay, up arrow, right arrow, down arrow, wait, up arrow, okay, down arrow, then right arrow and left arrow. So you know what is this, how to write this, all right? Okay, that one only. Next one, text target. You know this one, like how to give like how to give, for example, now for text, how to give values for that, how to give velocities for that, how to move that object like that. I have been said in previous video, class 3rd video itself, right? Yes. Okay, so for that, and now for example, now the ball went outside of the screen, means it will be coming as you lose. You'll see now, wait, so I'll make that ball to go out, so you can see here you lost. Okay, so like this only you have to also give. So okay, so for you lose, we have been gave here. For you won, we have been gave here. Okay, so yes. Okay, and you can see text target here, so no need to write anything to move or giving velocity or to just making win or lose. So we have to just write normally just target. So this is the target, you can see here, right? Yes, this is only. So text move the ball to reach the target to win. So move the ball to reach the target to win, you can see here, right? That one only. Then if ball dot x is greater than is equals to 230, and you can see here 2 and right, whenever you're just writing these two, then you'll get all the things, like all the things will be correct. Like what can I say for you for an example? um, okay, wait. So for ball dot x and ball dot x is less than, and ball dot y and ball dot less than is there, right? So x and y greater than and less than is there, right? If all the things are correct, then only it will be coming as you won. If like this, now wait, if like this it has been came as like or if this ball went greater than 400, if ball went greater than 400 means it will be coming as you lose. Or if ball dot x lesser than 0 means it will also go this side as you lose. If ball dot y means like this 400 means you lose, like this means you lose. Okay, so like that only. Next one, text. For then only when like now any or, so you know what is this, right? So these two lines are called or. Okay, so in these four options anything one is also okay, means anything one is has been corrected means it will be coming as you lose. Suppose this and is there means, and is there means you know all the things should be correct. Now ball dot x is greater than 230 means it will be coming as you won. If ball dot x is lesser than 285 means coming also it will be coming as you won. Ball dot y is greater than 350 means it will be coming you won, or 395 it will be coming one. But all the things should be coming if it came equal means, so it will be coming as you won. And main thing, draw sprites, make sure draw sprites is there. Okay, so whenever you're just writing the draw sprites, then only you can also play the game and you can see the objects whatever you just wrote. Okay, so now I'll just show the game for you. So now you can see, right? So now I'll play this game and see for you. Okay, so like this only. Now I'll make this ball to go out, so it is coming like you lose. So again I'll just reload this page and you can see this video, right? Yeah, you can see this game. So you have to go like this only, like this only. So you won has been game. So yeah, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the Junior Coding, so you can get more updated videos from my channel. And click on bell icon to get more updates from my channel. Okay, and click on like and share button. So if you like this video, it will be more thankful and helpful for me, and it will be saved in your liked videos. And if you're sharing to your friends and family, so they can also learn from using this video. Okay, so make sure to subscribe. Please subscribe and watch. If you're subscribing, it will be more thankful and helpful for me, so I can put more videos for you people daily and all the time. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. Bye bye, I'll meet in another video. Bye.